gems, welcome back. So as promised, I told you guys that I was gonna start box plaiting my hair, and I did. And I told you guys I was gonna come back and show you how I do my own hair. So as you can see, I got quite a bit done. I started today, but I got quite a bit done. Let me take this clip out. I have 2 plaits left on this row, and then I have a whole row here. So what I like to do is I like to section my hair out first. That way it's easier for me to just grab a plait and go. So the hair I'm using is Body Boss in the color 27613, and those are my go-to colors. I always use them. I tend to either just plait it the 4 and 30 by itself, or the 27 and 613 by itself, or most of the time I mix it to get this little color here. Y'all don't be stealing my look. If you do, just give me credit. That's all I'm saying. But anyways, I'm gonna bring you guys in closer so you can see exactly how I plait my hair. All right, so I zoomed you guys in. What I do is I take a little bit of edge control. I put it around my plait. I already did that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my hair. Okay, so I take my string of hair, right? I don't know how to explain this to y'all. So I grab it with these 2 fingers. I take my pinky, I grab it with my pinky and my ring. I grab it and, do I wrap it? Which way? Hold on. Nope, I lied. Okay, so I grab it like this with these 2 fingers. I wrap it around my thumb and I pinch it with my index finger, like this. One more time for the ghost. I grab it with these 2 fingers. I wrap it around my thumb and I pinch it with my index finger. And I just take this hand over here and separate it and put my middle finger through it. Another time for the ghost. Because what the fuck is going on with that speaker? All right. So, after I do that, after I get it like this, I let these 2 fingers go. So it's just 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. Y'all ready? Because I'm going to zoom y'all back in right now. What I do is I like to throw the hair behind me. My piece of hair here, I just split it in 2 like that. Grab the hair like this. Y'all see that? Like that. And then the other piece at the bottom, you're going to grab it with these 2 fingers. I know it's a lot, but when you get used to it, yeah, you know how I go. So here we go. Bam. I done grabbed my hair in there, right? We're going to go again. Bam. Make sure it's secure. It might feel a little tight, but that's how you know it's in there. Bam. We're going to keep going. I know y'all probably like, Gemini, we can't really see. I'm going to do another one for y'all. So I flip it forward so I can get ready to start plaiting it down. But as you're plaiting it down, you want to take some more of that edge control and make sure your hair is slick with the weave. You can't have all the little flyaways poking out. You see how you can see my hair right here? That ain't what we want. So we're going to take a little edge control, go like that. Bam, all one piece. And we're going to continue to plait. All right, so y'all see how I plaited it down past my hair. You don't see my hair poking out nowhere. That's how you want your plaits to look. Nice and neat. But I ain't going to continue to plait all the way down because that's what take up all your time. So I'm going to just plait it down a little bit past my hair. Bam. Stop the plait. Move on to your next. You can always go back and plait it down because that's what take all the time. And I ain't got time. We're going to do the same thing with this piece. Got your piece. Put a little edge control around and make sure everything that you got in that little part is in that part. You don't want to be pulling hairs from places that you ain't got no business. Bam. So we got that little piece right there. Nice and secure. That's what we working with. All right. We're going to show you. I'm going to show you one more time. So to prepare your hair, this is your strand of hair, right? Grab it with your ring and your pinky. Wrap it around your thumb. Hold it with your index. Bam. We're going to separate it over here like this. Just put your middle finger in the middle. Separate it. Drop it. You got 1, 2, and 3. Them all the pieces you need. 3 pieces in order to do a proper braid. I don't know all that looping, swooping, and pulling stuff they do. Hold on. Let me show y'all. Some people like to separate it in 2, overlap it, bring it back, and now you got 3 pieces. That's how I started braiding when I first started braiding, but that's too damn much when you can just separate it. But I'm gonna go ahead and roll with it like this. I ain't a fan of it because this piece be sliding. You see that? It slides. So I ain't a big fan of that method. But for the sake of the video, I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Wish me luck, child. I ain't do this since I was 13. I'm 31. So you do the math. All right. I'm gonna turn like this so you guys can get a better view. So we going with the same concept. I separated my hair in 2. Stuck my finger through. Bam. We're going to start plaiting. Make sure you hold it tight because those pieces tend to slide like I showed y'all before. Don't forget to put your edge control on your hair so it can slick down into the weave. So you don't have no flyaways because it ain't cute, I'm telling you. Nobody don't need to know where your weave stop, your hair stop and your weave begin. It should just all be flawless like that. All right, guys, so now you got a gist of what it is on how to do a box braid, right? I hope so. But anyways, I'm gonna come back when my hair's all finished so you guys can see the final product. Because baby, when I tell you don't want to miss it, you don't want to miss it.
3 days later.
All right, my gems. Listen, when I say it's been a process, 3 days it took me to complete my hair. But it's only because I did them so small. Let me turn around so y'all can see. Y'all, when I say, like, I literally just finished my hair, like, the ends is still wet, like, dripping water. I just finished dipping them. Man, I ain't even gonna hold y'all. I started the back of my hair, right? Started parting. It was taking too long. I ain't gonna cap, none of that. I had to go to my mama's house, let her finish parting. I had like a section like this big in the middle. I had to go over there and let her finish parting that out, honey, because if I didn't, I'd probably be on day 4 with my hair. Like, I don't think I'm gonna ever plait my hair this small again. I'm lying. I might plait this small again, but still, it took too long. It's easier when I have it already sectioned out and I can just take one, plait it. But they have to part and section and then plait. That's where the time consuming part is, the part and sectioning. But if it's already parted and already sectioned out, breeze right through it. So that's how it's able to get the front of my head done in 1 day. No, I got 1/2 of my head done in 1 day. Or was it the whole front? I don't know, y'all. I think it was 1/2. But whatever the case may be, no, I'm lying. It was the whole head, because when I came to y'all, I only had these 2 rows right here. Bam. See? Gotta think. So 1 day it took me to finish up here. But that back, I guess because the perimeter is so much, wider in here, I'm only going, that's like 4 plaits or 5 plaits each row. But back here, that's like 10, 12, 13, 14 plaits a row. So I'm finally finished. I'm loving my results. Y'all, this color blend is like everything to me. Let me know down in the comments, do y'all like this color? I love it, so it don't matter if y'all don't like it. I love it, and I'm the one that gotta wear it, so yeah. All right, my gems, thank you for tuning into this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also hit that post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post another video. And peace out. That's it. I'm done. 3 days it took me to do this, and I'm tired, y'all. I'll see y'all in my next video.